everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you all step by step how to make red velvet cake. The first step is to grease and to lightly flour your baking pans. The next step is to whisk together baking powder, baking soda, flour, cocoa powder and salt. In another bowl, combine sugar and vegetable oil. Then add the eggs, buttermilk and vanilla. Now it's time to add the food colouring. Mix in the coffee and the vinegar. Now gradually mix in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients.
Now it's time for the frosting.
Combine the butter and the cream cheese.
Remember to scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl as you go along.
Now add the icing sugar. Now it's time to add the almond extract and the crushed walnuts. These two ingredients are optional, but they add a nice flavour to the frosting.